저 토론토네 미 가실시 바오로가 저거래.
캐나다 어려워하기 parliament는 냈어.
So this is not only about March 10th. The whole month was like, you know.
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
CCP! Long live Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama!
Wake up, wake up!
Even if you have to stand alone, one person in front of the Chinese embassy.
하이 성물로 성물 뜻실래 아니 다른 개념 통디 가리가 이미 현상마하고 차인기래라 개념 통기 타이틀 라다네 야 다른 개념 통디 숨주 들이 10 마치 강체니 다른 10 마치 아니 10 마치 정말 캔슬이라 Tibetan uprising 데이라 아니 한당아 텔라 카레 토론토 캐나다 레라 아니 텔라 사진이라 uprising 데이디 온데 치두라 직디 토론토 코란체 아니 니와 딩아서 토론토네 미 가실시 바오로가 저거래라 온데 오로와 되가지 organize 스위치래라나 미 초방아도요 초방아기 organize 치교래샤 당부디 CDAO Canadian Tibetan Associations of Ontario 직체 니와딜라 도컴 추시 강조 숨바딜라 RTYC Canada지 아니 시와딜라 피밀렌소 아니 아와딜라 SFT Canada 디 소방아기 와랑조 데 토론토도 오로와라 도고레 아니 담보안다 추제 숨바레도요 숨바치 아니 시단 차가랑조 파 파르텔 제메센라 좀서고 치고레 아니 파네 추정아와니 바스네 파트웨리시요 아니 네디 안조 토론토도 오로와도가 스케줄 디레 마르치 10 2024지 추시단 차가라 파 파르텔라 좀서고 치고레 아니 추정아와라 바스테체 아니 주제 둠바단 주와슬라 아니 브레이크 도블레 레샤 아니 주단 차가라 아니 안조 바로 오로와기 parliament라 아니 디제네 프로그램 도뷰리 크리스마스네 오로와기 차이니스 엠베시를 두에레 가질라나 차이니스 엠베시 디 메인 디 콘조파 오로와라 요라온 체자 메인 차이니스 엠베시 파요레 니 안조 파 딜라 프로테스트 체레 니 디제네 니 토론토 로레레 돌두직 팔라 같이 유명 지기로는 참응이 돌두직한데 라인랑이 파주니 뚱고 아니 당아 드르마 재미살라 파트엠바 재미살네 아주 파파스네션이 파트에레 오르월어요 파심로도 더 쇼방하고 란체데 윤제피 쇼방하고 란체데 윤제피 장마차소 치료나 오리산데데 남랑규리샤 They can do your muffler, scarf, chippa. They check. 아니 반남시 장모 땡겨도요. 어려워라 강단 차와로 땡겨도 재상아 남시 장모들라 캐나다 고스케네 드나 마시 아니 디잖아 아디 다제 디킨도야 아니 얘 팔렌동고 나가 나네 마 된사임 봐 남 랑규레샤 주스나 차가이샤 버스 라고데 데르마 제메슨 데르야 아니 제메슨 라 파바스리라 파바스니 어도 어와도에데 니 네 지금 근데 땡땡 치고 아주 데 제메슨 레소 오나 들리구나 무슨 샤마 했구나. 니야 망텔레 사샤. बस चंबा दिलो कुतेशा बस नहीं हो रहा अनि बस चिक आगे दो बस चिक हम सा चले सो
네, बस नहीं होते खान सा
바스니와 대강차송 젠들리샤 참미 참말리샤 바스풀리샤
Ang bus na siya sa
나한테 남아달리네요. 기억시다. 텔레 차송 먼저 대한다 찹성을 찍줘도 가진 정말 찹성도 드셔. 배 장무도. 다 장무다.
화성로 아니 어제 걔네가 어려워하기 팔레멘트는 냈어. 팔레멘. 먼저 저런도 내미 그래서 딘죽게 주스 델리에 저런도 내 어려워라 팔레멘트나 내년도 괜찮을 때고
À bout de la l'audio galu pendant un petit national anthem.
We remember and offer our prayers in honor of our comrades who have given their lives for the cause of Tibet. We stand in solidarity with those who are still suffering under the brutal occupation of the People's Republic of China. In its 10th statement last year highlighted the forced and mass relocation of Tibetan population carried out supposedly in the name of ecological preservation in central Tibet and damming projects along the major rivers of Machu Picchu and Mekong River in some and under regions. Recently, China has ordered local Tibetans and monasteries of Onkoto area in Dege in eastern Tibet to relocate to carry out construction of Toktok hydropower dam and Dichu River as a part of the 13 dam construction project started a few years ago.
Le Dalai Lama. Il craignait qu'il ne soit enlevé par des soldats chinois et emmené du Tibet à Pékin. Pendant des jours, les combats corps à corps ont fait rage à Lhasa avec des chances désespérément contre la résistance tibétaine mal équipée et inexpérimentés.
To mark the 65th anniversary of the Tibet uprising, and we mourn the thousands cut down in the prime of their lives in 1959 when the Chinese authorities sent in the army to put down violently the uprising with their guns. It's a tragedy that lives on in all our memories. 65 years is a long time. Since 1959, we can respect all the more their motivation and desperation that prompted them to rise against the Chinese Communist Party's betrayal of their commitments to Tibet. The Communist Party promised that Tibet would be one of the People's Republic of China's 5 great founding nations, with the Tibetans equal to the Han, the Mongolians, the Uyghurs, and the Miao, and that the dignity and integrity of Tibetan civilization and society and political institutions would be forever respected by Beijing. But that was just a deceptive sham to gain complicity with Chinese cruel colonial rule over Tibet. Let me just conclude on a slightly more optimistic note. First of all, Xi Jinping and the Chinese Communist Party's rule of China appears to be nearing its end. As the Khashoggi statement points out, the Chinese economy is in increasing disarray with a collapse of the real estate sector, high youth unemployment, and massive capital flight.
상만 먼저 명한 대화 되게 좀 tema 제 루다 temba 제 기도 된적이 tuk저 땅 로사 tuk저 땅라 고셰 참이 된적 고셰 탑 타게라 셰치 별로 가서 뒷미만 냥더는데 건적이 하고와 도지나라 가리 소알에서 추안졸라 오늘 러게다 추안조 상만 기도 불러요라 추안조기 레게 차고 기도기 속소 된졸라라 민데 텐데직 마치나 야고 돌라니 단다디 비디오 먼저 롱니 라야라 롱예 라저디 미디 예명 먼저 그래 하고 디강에 디 February 14 저거다 February 14 데 미상모 Valentine 당데 it's fine okay I understand we live here but at the same time we have to know what's happening inside our own country 벨라 레말라다 디도 the younger generation 민다 gonda the transol 거주 당게 로 책이 누게 거주 당기 메 타갈라 영에 들 레게라 먼저 기때 식 변화 최고도인데 스페셜 먼저 될 영에 된죠 라 the younger generation has a responsibility to ask their parents, what's happening? I'm seeing this video. What's happening? Pala ama kayoma. They go for work. They work 80 hours. But at the same time, pala ama ki responsibility ki pula la. Oye, the video thongsa. It's good. You guys talk about Bollywood, Hollywood. It's good. But at the same time, talk about our own issue. Re mare. Want to stick to nai. And chokpa kitu dinzolara. Dinzolara nang minde. Losa di takpa chinda niwagi end or ligire di galara chinda sumba March 10. It's something that we can't forget. Re mare di ki March dawa March la minde kanto du tukte madora nang lani. Di mena chinda shiwala tangro nang minde. So ki birthday celebration and it's a different thing, different topic. Changsa gaya da tukte tayanda minde chinda shiwal chinanda. It's not only about 10 March. March 11, March 12 la kharcha re. March 12 kharcha re pinch do khar. Wow, March 12 on the town, March 13, 17, Hasa Chagan Temple, March 22nd, Laminde. We know about Subhash Chandra Bose. Remare, Yagagi freedom fighter Pembo, one thing until Hasale Junior, until research to Hakudo. Consultari Nistani, Nistabdil Laminde, Mendakora King, they go training for a Yomar, didn't have training. So this is not only about March 10, the whole month was like, you know, Nanzo Lenge or something, Nanzo Pepachi in Dugopsu. 오늘 여기다 로 gemba 된적인데 직란입니다. 땅 나 망부지 라라 나 미망부 다사유 민데 소소 만조 룽마 된다라 니 간주 먼지란 다사에나라 오늘 개 라고메 라 퍼스널 어택 수체메 민데 만조랑기 게임키고레 상부도 미로 첨부자니 게임키니 숑겔라 숑게기 gemba라 기제 티고 상부도 건다다 시라 모무시에베 수주드는 건 상마이 킹기래라 원데 지라이
Tibet! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop torture! In Tibet! Stop torture! In Tibet! Stop genocide! In Tibet! Stop genocide! In Tibet! Shame! Shame! CCP! Shame! Shame! CCP! Long live Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop torture! In Tibet! Stop torture! In Tibet! Stop genocide! In Tibet! Stop genocide! In Tibet! Shame! 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 Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Stop! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! In Tibet! In Tibet! China said! China said! Out! China out! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Tibetans! Tibetans!
Stop the genocide!
No! Wake up! Wake up!
UNO!
Wake up! Wake up!
UNO! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Tibetans! Tibetans! Tibetans!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop torture!
In Tibet! In Tibet! China shame!
Stop the mining! Stop the mining! Stop the mining! Stop the genocide! In Tibet! Stop the genocide! In Tibet! Stop the mining! In Tibet! Stop the mining! We want justice! We want justice!
In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Free Tibet!
China out!
Wake up! Wake up!
UNO!
Wake up! Wake up!
UNO! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Tibetan! Tibetan!
Learning Tibetan! Learning Tibetan!
Not a crime!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop torture!
In Tibet!
Stop torture!
In Tibet!
Stop genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop genocide!
In Tibet! CCP! CCP!
Long live!
Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Tibetan! Tibetan! We want justice!
Where's the pension Lama now? Where's the pension Lama now?
Samala de sarlanga chula ma pero na chi chue tes mas pero na da Nema so this yes pero na da yes de la sa de pe de tongo
China We want justice in Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Tibetan! Tibetan! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! Dalai Lama! Tibetan! Tibetan! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! In Tibet! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! Out, out, out! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! Where is President Lama now? Where is President Lama now? Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! In Tibet! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! China 100% now! In Tibet! 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 Out, out, out! Out, out, out! In Tibet! 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 UNO! Dalai Lama! Dalai Lama! Tibetan! Tibetan! China out! China out! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! President Lama! President Lama! CCP! What you say? What you say? China out! China out! President Lama! President Lama! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet!
Wake up, wake up! Wake up, wake up! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Stop the killing!
March 10th is the one day every year where no matter what we do, we stop everything. We stop everything and we make sure that we join the nearest demonstration, whether it's at the consulate, at the embassy. We stop everything and we say that day we remember what happened. That day we stand in solidarity with Tibetans inside Tibet. But that's stand is not just that one day. That one day is when we come out and we demonstrate and we stand in front of the Chinese embassy or the consulate and say, we're still here and we're going to always be here until freedom is restored in Tibet, until Tibet is free. But the biggest fight is every day. It's every day. You know, even if you don't speak Tibetan now, the fact that you make an effort to connect with your Tibetan heritage, to learn Tibetan. I learned Tibetan at a very late age. I was already an adult. That in itself is an act of protest. It's a political act because young Tibetans inside Tibet now, when they start kindergarten, they can't go to Tibetan language kindergarten. Now, they have to go to Chinese language kindergarten. Tibetan families in Tibetan areas, the children now are more comfortable speaking Chinese. That is deliberate. The monks have to go to Chinese school. This is my own friends from Tibet who are saying that. They went this year. They're saying the kids are speaking Chinese now, even if they live in a Tibetan areas. The monks have to go to Chinese school. So the act of maintaining your Tibetan identity, if your heart is Tibetan, you are Tibetan. Even if you don't speak Tibetan, you continue to value your Tibetan culture and you learn on your own. You make that commitment, all right? And you keep bringing your children every year because this exercise today, we may not be many, but what we're trying to teach the younger Tibetans is even if you have to stand alone, one person in front of the Chinese embassy, you're going to do it. You're going to do it until Tibet is free. Pögalo!
그때 어려움이기 그래가지고 실제당 갑제당 프로선에서 다시 치샤 남자도
아니 남시 예정도 어려워라.
I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care, bye. Have a good night.